This high-efficiency rolling machine supports food production from different regions of the world by transforming dough into smooth, uniform sheets in a fast and reliable way. In Asian cuisine, it is used to make spring roll wrappers, dumpling skins, wonton sheets, and samosa pastry with consistent thickness for perfect filling and folding. In Middle Eastern and South Asian kitchens, it produces roti, chapati, paratha, and flatbread, quickly reducing manual rolling time. For Latin American and Western food processing, the machine rolls tortilla taco wraps, pizza bases, and pastry sheets, evenly ensuring stable size and texture. With adjustable thickness, continuous operation, and food-grade stainless steel design, the machine improves productivity, reduces labor cost, and maintains consistent quality making. Global food production, faster, cleaner, and more efficient for factories, central kitchens, and commercial food businesses worldwide.